covered correctional institutions. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 111 and 124. Interstate 95 between mile markers 142 and 146.